According to the National Electrical Code, an outdoor hot tub installation requires both a disconnect switch and a general-purpose receptacle. Regarding the disconnect switch, as per NEC section 680.12, a disconnecting means must be provided for each outdoor spa or hot tub. This disconnect shall be readily accessible and within sight from the spa or hot tub location. The disconnect switch must be located not less than 5 feet from the inside walls of the spa or hot tub. Moving on to the general purpose receptacle, NEC section 680.22 subsection 3 states that at least one general purpose receptacle must be provided on the equipment grounding conductor bonding jumper. The receptacle shall be accessible without removing any panels, and the receptacle shall be readily accessible to service personnel only. Considering the installation in a manufactured home, there are additional factors to keep in mind. The disconnect switch and the general purpose receptacle must be listed specifically for use in manufactured homes. This ensures that the components are suitable for the unique electrical environment of such dwellings. It is vital to verify that the chosen electrical components meet the safety standards and are approved for manufactured home applications. The electrical installation must also comply with the requirements of the Manufactured Home Electrical Safety Act, or MFESA. MFESA sets forth the federal safety standards for electrical systems in manufactured homes, covering aspects such as wiring, grounding, and overcurrent protection. Adhering to MFESA regulations ensures that the electrical system is safe, reliable, and minimizes the risk of electrical hazards. In summary, when installing an outdoor hot tub, a disconnect switch is required within sight and no closer than 5 feet from the hot tub. A general-purpose receptacle is also required, readily accessible for service personnel and connected to the equipment grounding conductor bonding jumper. For manufactured homes, the disconnect switch and receptacle must be listed for that purpose and the installation must comply with MFESA. Ignoring these codes can lead to potential electrical hazards, code violations, and safety risks.